Hey, tell off my family. What's up, you guys? So we got another awesome vlog for you guys today. Exciting little trip. Right now we're actually at the Honolulu airport at the Hawaiian Airlines section, waiting for our flight. We fly out to LAX. We're gonna go there for the Moana Global Tour. It's actually at the Hollywood Bowl, and it's for the Moana world premiere. But we're truly excited to share this moment with you guys, and yeah, let's go. Hey, good morning. So we landed here safely, California. First stop, we made it out here to the Black Bear Diner. Gotta get something in the tummy for our day. Got a lot of things planned for today, so not really a lot of things, just two things. Check in and go to practice. But let's go! Yes. So made it to the room. This is where we'll be rooming for the night. Sheraton Marriott in Cerritos. Here's the outside view. All right. After many hours of driving, we made it here. Let's go. Studio. Let's go. W's in the chat. All right, you guys, so we're here. Let's go. First stop, well, actually, we had a few stops before this. We had to go to the actual place, the Hollywood Bowl, to go pick up some of the props that we're going to be spinning with, and also a stand. But this is probably one of the main things that we had to come here. Of course, you guys know already, we're going to be performing for the world premiere. And today we have a practice today to practice what we're going to do. And it's over here at the infamous Nonosina Studio. So we're here right now. Yay! Meeting up with all of our villagers. A lot of us here was actually in the movie Moana, where some of the main village dancers, we got casted as the village dancers, so we're all very close, and this is first time, as you can hear, first time seeing each other in 2 years. Well, maybe not 2 years, but in a long time. Having us all together in like 2 years. Yes. Let's go. W's in the chat.
Dubs in the chat.
Dubs in the chat. Yes. So yeah, just catching up with everybody, but gotta practice, and then the big day tomorrow. Let's go. Choo. Getting serious right now. Next to one of the main characters in the movie. You're gonna see him in the movie dancing. Say something for the YouTube.
It is what? 24 hours till we go on stage, and I still don't know the dance.
I don't know. Yes, sir. YouTube. Let's go. All right, guys, so we had a great day of practice today. Man, the performance is looking great. So excited to go out there and perform it. Big, huge shout out to TNK, Tiana and Kayla. Thank you guys so much for bringing us all out here, to come together again, make more memories with all of our Motunui family, our village right now. Also a huge shout out because they made a little dinner for us. Let's go! W's in the chat. Nah. But big shout out. They made us got us a little sponsored our dinner for tonight. Let's check it out. Target acquired. Let's go. Now time to add. I want to make mine look like that one. I said yo, check it out. Let's go. Today's the big day. Really excited to perform. Let's go. Checking in right now. Then we're gonna start getting ready for our performance. But got the crew. Everybody walking up. Let's go. Yes. Yee. Let's go. Woo. Checking audio right now.
Amazing. Let me director of Moana, Thomas Kale. Hello.
And have one more introduction here. There's no better way to commence this particular part of the celebration than to introduce one of our dear collaborators, Tiana, and the wonderful Kayla, and this marvelous group of dancers. Please enjoy the film.
Enjoy the show.
Are the Moana from all over the Pacific. Tonight, under the sky, we celebrate in this va, in this time and space together. What you just seen was a little bit of our village. That's how we roll. You call one, we all come. That's my people right there. These dancers on stage, I'm proud and humble to say, these are your villagers from the film. Give them a round of applause. Family does a little bit of motunui, but now, for our ending portion of our time together, I'm going to take you to the heart of Polynesia, to the island of Samoa.
for me to introduce to you the chiefess of Motunui. Please help me welcome the beautiful Catherine Grace Tiko Manaya. She hails from the beautiful villages of the Moana Tuai and Bala Malawi in Zimbabwe.
Let's go, Polynesian!
By none other, the one that you know as Dwayne Johnson, or even The Rock. But in 2004, he was bestowed the title of Seuli. So please help me welcome the Afionga Yaseuli, who hails from the village of Parianili, Anepata, in Samoa. Sauya!
All right, family. Woo! You know, here in Hollywood, every once in a while, I feel like, first of all, we're lucky to do what we do, and we're grateful to do what we do. But I also feel like every once in a while in Hollywood, we make a film that is more than a film. It's more than a movie, and I think you could feel it already tonight with our culture and with what we have represented, but also not only our Polynesian culture, and you see the love and the passion and the mana here tonight under the stars, but it's also a shared culture around the world. So I'm so happy and grateful that all of you are here tonight. I've invited so many of you. Thank you so much for coming tonight, by the way. It means so much. I'm so happy that you guys are able to share this film for the first time ever. We're showing the film. So excited for you to see the movie.
This ocean's bright.